From the trading desk of Daily Forex, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming January 5th trading session. In front of you, I have the S&P 500 index. As you can see, we had a pretty negative start on Monday, dropping straight through the 2000 level. However, we have seen enough buying pressure there to turn things back around and confirm the significance of 2000. I have a couple different thoughts on this particular market, and I think regardless of what the direction ends up being, the one thing you can count on is going to be volatility. Somewhere around 2000, there should be a lot of interest. You can see there has been selling and buying pressure here in the past. It's a large round number, so obviously that's a place where market participants tend to pay attention to. The fact that we bounced so significantly late in the day suggests that perhaps we are going to have another round higher, at least in the short term. As I switch to the 1 hour chart, you can see how significant this bounce really was at the end of the day. And a lot of times that's institutional buying. So having said that, I believe that if we break a little bit higher above the top of the range for the day, we or the rally from the day, we should continue to grind our way, maybe back towards 2050. Having said that, though, if we were to turn back around and make a fresh new low, that would be very bearish. It's not going to be a straight shot down. There's a lot of noise underneath, but that certainly would put the sellers in charge completely. At this point in time, though, I think the volatility continues and we continue to rise. As you can see, the NASDAQ 100 did the exact same thing, just replaced 2000 with 4500. But it should be noted that I think this area here between 4450 and 4500 is all one area, if you will. It's quite a bit of support and resistance several times in the past, and I think that is just simply a function of what happened during the day on Monday. This suggests, though, that we could very well go higher. I'm not a seller until we break down below the 4450 level significantly, maybe even the bottom of the candle for the day on Monday. But as I go to the 1 hour chart, you can see a bounce over here was pretty significant as well, above 4520. I don't see any reason why we don't go back towards 4600. It's not going to be easy, but it could be the target. With that, it looks like this market is going to be quite feisty. U.S. stock markets always are. And at the beginning of the year, you have to keep in mind that a lot of people are putting new positions on, so it's going to be very volatile.